Welcome to the Logic Source tutorial. The Logic Source tool is a 9-channel 125 MHz digital pattern generator. It includes 1020 program vectors with looping and control commands. This short video will introduce the features of the Logic Source tool and explain the operation of its control window. The Logic Source tool generates digital outputs defined by user-programmed vectors. Each vector includes 9 bits and a settable duration value that can range from 16 nanoseconds to 33 milliseconds. Each vector may also include a command that loops the execution or synchronizes execution with other tools or the user circuit. The Logic Source user interface provides an easy-to-use digital editor. Binary data and hex values in the pattern window can be edited by double-clicking the bit or hex value. Binary bit values toggle. Hex values enter an edit mode indicated by highlighting the value in red. Typing hex digits at the keyboard changes the highlighted value. Pressing the Enter key moves the edit position to the next vector. Pressing the Escape key terminates the hex edit mode. Blocks of data can be edited with predefined patterns such as count up. Click the Edit menu and select Edit Block. Help text is provided for each edit type when selected. For example, to generate a clock signal on channel 1 with a high and low duration that lasts for 2 vectors each, select the type toggle, overwrite the channel's order value with 1, change the toggle after line's value to 2, and click OK. Bit 1 is overwritten with the clock signal. The duration of a vector can be changed by double-clicking its duration value. Duration values can be entered using scientific notation or using the nano, micro, milli suffix characters N, U, and M respectively. You can also set the duration of all vectors by clicking the Advanced menu and selecting Set All Duration. Right-clicking a line opens a context menu that allows comments and commands to be added to the line. Different commands are available depending upon the run control mode. The high and low logic voltage values can be set using the V-high and V-low controls or by clicking the Advanced menu and selecting Logic Family. The Logic Source provides 4 run modes. Pattern execution always starts on line 0. In continuous mode, a go-to-0 command is initially placed on line 15. It can be moved to a different line by right-clicking the Edit window and selecting Set Loop Stop Line and entering a new line number. When execution reaches the go-to-0 line, it will execute that line and then jump to line 0, producing a continuous output. When on-event mode is selected, a Wait for Event command is added to line 0, and a Go-to-0 command is placed on line 15. As in continuous mode, the Go-to command can be moved to another line. However, the Wait for Event command cannot be moved. Execution starts on line 0, but will not proceed to line 1 until an input event is received. After the event is received, lines are executed until the Go-to line is reached. Execution then returns to line 0 and waits for another input event. To select the input event source, click the Advanced menu and select Event In. When single mode is selected, a stop command is placed on line 15. The stop line can be moved to another line by right-clicking the Edit window and selecting the Set Loop Stop Line and entering a new line number. Execution starts at line 0 and proceeds until the stop line is executed. Execution stops on the stop line and its vector remains on the output pins. Custom mode provides the user complete control over the placement and execution of control commands. Up to 3 command types may be defined. Clicking the Advanced menu and selecting Configure Jump A, B, or C determines the A, B, or C jump type and parameters. Once the jump type is configured, it can then be placed on any line by right-clicking the line and selecting Add Edit Command. The selected command is placed on that line. For example, you can use Custom Mode to include setup data before a continuous loop. If the loop is to start on line 8, configure the Jump A type to Always. Set the Jump To line to 8. To place the Go to 8 command, right-click on line 15 and select Add Edit Command and click Jump A. Lines 0 through 7 are executed once at the start of the test. Lines 8 through 15 are then executed as a continuous loop. For detailed description of the command types and their use, see the MB-500 User's Manual. The logic source output event can be placed on a line by right-clicking the line and selecting Set Event Out. An output event command is added to the line. Each time that line is executed, an output event is generated. This video provided an overview of the MB-500 Logic Source tool. For a complete description of all of the logic source features and controls, see the MB-500 User Manual. It is available as a PDF on our website. Go to www.anawin.com and click Documents.